Like this dashcam video of a chain reaction crash that left.
This $50 dashcam just saved a driver $50,000. I recently reviewed a claim that raised eyebrows. The other driver pointed fingers at the truck, and with unclear witness statements, it seemed like a costly liability loss. However, everything changed when the dashcam footage arrived. It revealed the car abruptly brake-checking the truck, a classic crash-for-cash setup that the images vividly captured. Without video evidence, many claims can morph into expensive settlements, but a dashcam allows insurers to challenge the fraud, minimize payouts, and safeguard the carrier's loss history. That single clip not only helped deny a fraudulent claim, but also prevented a massive payout, keeping the driver's insurance record pristine. That's tens of thousands saved, and it means fewer premium increases in the future. Forward-facing dashcams are truly one of the simplest tools fleets can use today to protect drivers and reduce liability. Do you use a dashcam? Share your thoughts in the comments.